You won't believe what I just discovered about Blum. Revolving light in this video, I'll break down the latest updates that could seriously boost your earnings. Midway through, we'll dive into the details of Blum update, Uptober. I did not know this until now, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. I'm bringing you this update because a lot has changed since my last video on Blum. So, where has Blum been focusing lately? When will their coin be listed? And what should you be doing now to stay profitable when they launch? Let's dive back into Blum. Initially, the game was pretty straightforward. Daily check-ins to collect game tickets and farm Blum points, BPs, every 8 hours. I've been playing the game, but for some reason, it won't open on my iPhone, even after updating the app. Thankfully, it runs smoothly on my Android device. When it comes to farming Blum points, the primary objective is to accumulate as many points as possible. Right now, I have about 54,200 points, which clearly shows I haven't been taking farming too seriously. But don't worry, by the time I finish making this video, I plan to boost my total to over 200,000 points. Now, there are 5 distinct ways to earn Blum points, and from my experience, the third and fifth methods are where the real rewards lie. These 2 methods will maximize your earnings. After breaking down all 5 methods, I'll also walk you through some tips to enhance your earning potential and explain how farming Blum can help you qualify for other valuable airdrops. If you're looking to get the most out of Blum, these strategies will definitely set you on the right track. Daily check-in. The simplest way to start earning Blum points, BPs, is through daily check-ins. Every time you log into the Blum app, you'll be rewarded with points just for showing up. It's a consistent and easy way to accumulate points without much effort. Here's the catch: the more consecutive days you check in, the higher your rewards become. For instance, on the first day of your streak, you might receive 10 points. On the second day, that amount will increase, and it will continue to grow as your streak progresses. The key here is consistency. The longer you keep your streak alive, the bigger the rewards, making it essential to check in every day. However, if you skip a day, your streak will reset back to the beginning, and you'll be starting over from the lowest reward tier. This means if you want to maximize your points from this method, you'll need to be diligent about logging in daily to avoid losing progress. While the daily check-in might not earn you the highest number of points compared to other methods, it's a steady and reliable way to build up your BPs over time, especially when combined with the other strategies for farming Blum. So, make sure to set a reminder if needed. Those points can really add up over the course of a week or month. Start farming. The second way is to claim your points and start farming. You can return every 8 hours to repeat this process, earning about 57 Blum points each time. By doing this consistently, I can earn a maximum of 20,000 points. Play the game. The third way is by playing the game. Unfortunately, the game hasn't been opening on my iPhone, so if you have a solution, let me know in the comments. Even though I've updated the app, it's still not working on my device. But in one of the Blum videos I watched, it was mentioned that game tickets might be convertible into something valuable in the future, though we don't know what that is yet. Invite friends. The fourth method is through the friends section. You can invite a maximum of 100 friends. It used to be 10, but this has been increased. You can invite more than 100 friends, but you can only earn rewards from 100 of them. I have 118 friends, and I earn 10% of their farming activities and 2.5% from the friends they invite. Huge thanks to all my friends for the points they've earned me. All I need to do is click claim to collect them. If you have fewer than 100 friends, drop your invite link in the comments so others can sign up. I'll also leave the first 10 invite links in the description and pin them in the comments. Let me know when you reach 100 friends so I can remove your link. The fifth and by far the most lucrative way to rack up Blum points, BPs, is through the Earn section. This area is where you can accumulate the bulk of your points, and it offers several opportunities to not only earn Blum points but also unlock additional rewards and even airdrops. Here's how it works. When you navigate to the Earn section, you'll notice it's divided into different categories: New Chain, On-Chain, Social, Academy, Friend, and Farming. Each of these categories offers unique tasks or activities, allowing you to diversify your point-earning strategies. New Chain. This category focuses on engaging content like videos. For example, you can watch short videos about upcoming projects and be on the lookout for a hidden code within the video. Once you find and enter that code, you'll instantly earn 250 Blum points. It's a fun and easy way to boost your points without much effort, especially if you enjoy learning about new blockchain developments. On-chain, this category rewards you for integrating your wallet with Blum. If you haven't connected your wallet yet, it's a quick way to earn points. Once connected, all you need to do is claim your rewards periodically. It's a seamless process, and by completing this task, you ensure you're eligible for on-chain activities and future airdrops. Social, by engaging with Blum's social media platforms like TikTok and others, you can continue to farm points regularly. For example, you might be asked to follow Blum's official TikTok account or like and comment on specific posts. Each week, you can earn up to 540 points simply by interacting with these socials, which is a great way to build up points while also staying updated on Blum's latest announcements and community events. Academy, this section is geared toward learning. You can earn points by completing educational modules or quizzes on blockchain-related topics. It's an excellent way to both enhance your knowledge and increase your point balance. Friend, this category allows you to earn points through referrals. The more friends you invite to join Blum, the more points you can collect. It's an effective way to farm points while growing the community. Farming, finally, this category ties into other in-game farming activities, allowing you to maximize your BPs through consistent farming efforts over time. Each of these tasks provides a steady stream of Blum points, and with so many different methods available, it's easy to keep your points growing. By making the most of this earn section, you can significantly increase your BP total while also setting yourself up for additional rewards, including future airdrops. The flexibility and variety here make it the most profitable method for serious players looking to maximize their earnings on Blum. Above these weekly tasks is the quest section. The last quest was the Dogs quest, where $2.5 million worth of dogs was distributed among Blum users who participated. The current quest is the Turno quest, where 1% of the total supply of Turno tokens will be distributed to participants. Make sure you've connected your wallet to participate. The Turno quest will earn you 999 Blum points, another quest will earn you 666 points, and another will get you 90 points. How to increase your Blum points? It's simple, join a Blum tribe to increase your farming output by 10%. I've created our community, so you can join through the link in the description. Being in a tribe helps you farm faster, and our community offers a lot of value. Blum DEX. Now, many people think Blum is just a game, but it's not. Blum is actually building a decentralized exchange, DEX, inside Telegram, where you can trade various tokens with low fees. It's like trading on Binance or Bybit, but decentralized and within Telegram. They call this a hybrid setup because it combines an off-chain order book with on-chain settlement. Blum offers both spot and derivatives markets, just like the major exchanges. Compared to other Telegram bots, a lot of users will continue using Blum even after their token is listed because many people were introduced to crypto through Telegram, and they prefer to trade there. I can't wait to review their exchange once it launches. If the exchange does well and their token has strong utility, the Blum token could become a must-have, similar to BNB. Blum token listing. The token listing date hasn't been announced yet, so we'll have to wait. Right now, the app is focused on onboarding users and keeping them engaged. Blum boasts 60 million users and 30 million connected wallets. Many of its partners are well-known Telegram mini-apps like XEmpire, Turno, Dogs, OpenLeg, and others. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to make a video explaining XEmpire, and if I get at least 200 requests, I'll go ahead and make it.